Students, today chapter 3 algebra. For algebra, the basic definitions you know, that is what is terms, coefficients, variable, constant and expressions. Just we have to recall some of the basic definition, then we enter to the exercise problems. First, terms, number of terms. Now you have to consider these examples. How many terms are there? The terms mentioned for using the between sign, that is minus and plus. So the minus and plus separate the terms. That is, for now you check this expression, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this is first term, second term, third term. This is fourth term. For this expression we have only one term. This all the one in a product, so we consider as a one term. For in between the variables you have a plus or minus, we consider as a separate term. Otherwise it is a only one term. Now you have to check this third problem. For now it is a first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So that is, for this expression have 4 terms. For this expression have 3 terms. Now we have to recall coefficient, numerical coefficient. For coefficient means you know, for this is the coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of xy is minus 5. We have to consider with the sign minus 5. Coefficient of y square is 6. Coefficient of x is plus 7. Coefficient of y is minus 10. For this is constant term. For this problem, coefficient is x by 3. So coefficient is 1 by 3. Coefficient of x is 1 by 3. Coefficient of y is 2 by 5. For coefficient of xy is minus 1. This is constant term. Now you have to know about like terms. Like terms means you know, the variable of the terms along with their respective exponents must be same. The variable and their exponent. Exponent means you know, that is a power. Variables and powers are same, we consider that is a like terms. For here more terms are given, we have to collect the like terms. For example, for x square, 4x square. For this you no need to consider the coefficients, we have to consider only variable and power. So x square, these two are like terms. A square, b square, a square, b square. So these. Next, addition and subtraction of algebraic terms. For addition and subtraction, we have to use only for like terms. We have to add the like terms and we have to subtract the like terms. For these problems related to the 7th standard problem, you have to try yourself. It is based on basic problems. Next, you have to learn about polynomial. A polynomial is an expression containing 2 or more algebraic terms. In a polynomial, all the variables are raised to only whole number powers. For example, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 4x square plus 3x minus 7. For polynomial means you know, for this also like a expression. The expression has 2 or more algebraic terms. It's called a polynomial. For we have the condition, some of the condition, the given expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial. For that is, you have to follow these rules. The polynomial cannot be contained. That means the rules we have to check. Division by variable. Division by variable is not a polynomial. For example, 4x square minus 5 by 1 plus x. For it is not a polynomial. Division by a variable is not a polynomial. Negative exponents is not a polynomial. Example, 7 into x power minus 2 plus 5x minus 6 is not a polynomial. Fractional exponents also not a polynomial. For example, 3 into x cube plus 4 into x power 1 by 2 plus 5 is not a polynomial. So how you have to check the polynomial, the given expression is a polynomial or not a polynomial? We have to check division by variable is there, it is not a polynomial. Negative exponents are there, that is not a polynomial. And fractional exponents are there, that also not a polynomial. Next one, monomial. The types of the polynomial. An expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. The expression contains only one term, that is a monomial. An expression which contains only two terms is called a binomial. For examples are given. Next, trinomial. An expression which contains only three terms is called a trinomial. For examples are given. For multiplication of algebraic expression. For first we have to check the multiply the signs of the terms. Sign we have to make multiple. The sign, the product rules we have to apply. So you know, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. That is, for two like signs are positive and the product of two unlike signs are negative. Okay, so that is like signs. What are the like signs? Plus into plus, minus into minus. Unlike signs, plus into minus, minus into plus. For multiplication, we have to follow the rules. First, you have to make multiple the sign, the integer sign, then coefficient, then we have to make multiple the variables. For you have to follow this exponents rule. Last year you are learned about it, that is x power m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. For same base, it is a base, it is power. We have to consider we have a same base, we have to add the powers. Now we have to check algebraic expression and polynomial. What is the difference between algebraic expression and polynomial? A polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression. The difference between algebraic expression and a polynomial. First you have to listen algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means, you know, whole numbers may contains whole numbers, fractions, negative numbers as the powers. In algebraic expression, the powers fraction, the power contain fraction, negative and all the one in the sense whole numbers. Okay, positive number, negative number, fractions, that all the one contain in a algebraic expression. But in a polynomial contains only whole numbers as the power of their variable. That is, now you have to check the powers only contain whole numbers, positive whole numbers. Next one important note, the product of two terms is represented by the symbols. For a product of two terms, you have to use this bracket form or dot or multiplication. For example, the product of two terms we have to use like this form, or we have to use the multiplication symbol or bracket or dot. For this all the one consider as a multiplication. This symbol is used for at the rate of. For in the statement problem, the symbol is used means this is at the rate of. Now this is one more important one word question. Monomial into monomial. Monomial. Monomial means what? The expression has only one term. Monomial into monomial. Monomial. Binomial into monomial. It is a binomial. Binomial means, you know, the terms, the expression has two terms. For it is one term. The answer is binomial. Binomial into binomial, binomial or polynomial. Polynomial into monomial is polynomial. For this is for one word questions.